Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active Max, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. So the first thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the lower button. Keep holding it until you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen, and once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until it's done booting up. Okay, and here we have it, the watch booted up, and we have the list of languages. So for now, let's go to the iPhone. Make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, and once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone, tap on Search, tap on the search bar and type in Zepp, with 2 P's at the end, and tap on the search. And basically this is the application we need to use to pair the devices together. So download it and install it. It looks like it might take a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once the application is done installing. Okay, and the application is done installing, as you can see, and we can tap on open right here to open it, or we can just simply find the icon of the application and then tap on it to open the app. And once you open the application, you will be asked to log in into AMAZFIT account. If you don't have one, you can always make a new one by tapping on sign up, fill in the data. Once you're done, you can use the account to log in, of course. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on login, enter the email address and password. Okay, and then we can tap on login. Oh, apparently I entered the password incorrectly. Let's check this one. Okay, so the account is wrong. Where did I make a mistake? Oh, I think I found it. Okay, now it should be okay. So let's wait until it logs in. Here we have it. We will see some pop-ups about the permissions. You can allow them or deny them. This one, look out for this one, the Bluetooth permission. This one needs to be allowed, so allow it. Okay, not now. Allow or deny the permissions for the notifications. And now we can go to device, select the watch category, agree, allow, and you will see the basically camera of your watch turn on, not watch, phone. Basically it will open the camera up. And what we need to do is to go to our watch, select the language you want to use on your watch, then once you select it, tap on the check mark, and you will see the QR code. And now we need to scan this QR code with the phone. So basically you need to point your iPhone's camera on the watch to scan the QR code, and once you scan it, it will start pairing the devices. Tap on pair, allow or deny the permissions, tap on the check mark on the watch, you can adjust the font size if you like to, then tap on the check mark, and now you should see the home page of the watch, or home screen. Tap on next in the app, and here we have some permissions. For example, allowing to call contacts. So this is useful if you want to use your watch to start the calls on your phone. If you don't care, you can skip it. If you want to use it, tap on enable and allow the permissions. Basically, you can select the contacts. You can share all of the contacts. I'm gonna select only one, for example, this one, and tap on continue. Allow select contacts and stuff like that. So you can customize it to your liking. Then we have calendar sync. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications about the events from your calendar. You can skip this or enable it. here we can select the positions of the buttons, preferred position of the buttons. Basically, you have buttons on the left. So if you select this one, it will rotate the screen and you will need to wear your watch like this. And buttons on the right is the default one, like this. Then we have next, preferred up view rather, and you have list or grid view. And then we have the done button. And at this point, you should see the device page on it. You should see your Active Max and your watch should be ready to use. And basically, that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.